Have you ever paid off a credit card, car loan, or another debt only to check your credit score and it actually went down? Okay. If that happened to you, don't panic because, it may seem backwards, but it's actually a fairly common situation. Okay. And so in today's video, I'm going to explain why your credit score may drop after paying off debt, whether it's something you should worry about, and what you can do to help your score recover. So let's get started, okay? So the surprising truth is that many people believe that paying off debt automatically means your scores go up, okay? While paying off debt is a positive financial move, right? Credit scores are calculated using several factors, not just how much debt you owe. There's many things that go into credit scores being generated, okay? In some cases, eliminating a debt can temporarily change the way the credit score models view your profile. So the good news is that a small score drop after paying off debt is often temporary, so you don't have to worry about it, okay? So your credit mix changed, right? You paid off debt. One common reason for a score decrease is something called your credit mix. What do I mean by this? Well, credit scoring models like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of debt. For example, credit cards are revolving accounts, auto loans are installment loans, mortgages are installment accounts, student loans are installment accounts, okay? There's a difference. Now, if you pay off your only installment loan, your credit profile becomes less diverse, which can sometimes cause a small drop in your score. Again, credit scores are calculated based on a diverse amount of loans, okay? Like I mentioned, revolving, like a credit card, and installment, like regular loans, okay? If you pay off only your installment loan, again, it could drop your credit scores temporarily. Now, closing a credit card can hurt utilization, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, this is one of the biggest reasons people see scores decrease, okay? Let's say you have two credit cards. Card A with a $5,000 limit, card B with a $5,000 limit. Your total available credit is $10,000. Easy math, okay? If you're carrying a $1,000 balance, you're using 10% of your available credit, which looks good. Now, imagine if you pay off card B and close that card. That same $1,000 balance now represents 20% utilization instead of that 10%. So higher utilization can negatively impact your score. That's why it's often smart to keep older credit cards open, even if you aren't using them frequently. Take the card after you pay it off, shred it, keep it at home in case of emergencies, okay? Now, an account was closed. That can be a factor in your scores dropping temporarily. So when a loan is paid off, the account is generally reported as closed. Even though the account may remain on your credit report for years, credit scoring models, sometimes react differently when active accounts are removed from your profile. This is especially true if the paid off account was one of your few active credit accounts. So, important fact, know that the credit score drop is often temporary, okay? The important thing to remember is paying off debt is still financially beneficial. Don't keep don't keep racking up debt, okay, because you don't want your scores to drop, okay? Now, a temporary drop of a few points usually isn't a sign that you've done something wrong. As you continue making on-time payments and maintaining healthy credit habits, your score often stabilizes and will eventually increase, okay? Remember, credit scores are designed to actually predict risk, not reward people for simply eliminating debt, okay? Credit reporting agencies actually like to see that you are responsible with different types of accounts. So how do you help your score recover, okay? Here are a few things you can do. Number one, make all payments on time. Payment history is one of the most important factors in your credit score, paying things on time. Number two, keep credit card balances low. Aim for less than 30% utilization and ideally under 10%. Number 3, avoid applying for unnecessary new credit. Okay? Too many applications can temporarily hurt your score. Number 4, keep older credit cards open if possible. Don't close them out. You can pay them off, but don't close them out. The age of your accounts can help your credit profile. Number 5, monitor your credit reports regularly. Okay? Check for errors or reporting issues that could affect your score. There could be errors on your credit reports, okay? So make sure that there's none. So in conclusion, okay, if your credit score dropped after paying off debt, don't assume you've made a mistake, okay? In many cases, the decrease is temporary and is simply the result of changes to your credit mix, utilization ratio I just mentioned, or active accounts. So paying off debt is still one of the best things you can do financially, okay? Have you ever experienced a credit score drop after paying off a loan or a credit card? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos as well. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.